Alright guys, so we are going to drive back to my neighborhood, and she is going to go on to the actual public streets of the residential neighborhood, and we're going to see how that goes. I'm sadly disappointed that this wasn't as interesting, but I'm super proud of her, so I'm not really upset. So I'm going to drive us home, and I'll see you guys back at the neighborhood.
Yay.
For all the cameras, pose for the magazines. What can you show me the side they never see? I know you're special, but if you're feeling me, I wanna talk to the girl that's underneath.
Hey, we're back.
Oh my god, you scared me.
We're back at the neighborhood. Let's see how she does here. Are you ready?
Yep.
Alright, let's do this thing.
I'm in first.
It's like Cody water.
Oh.
You're rolling
What's
back. It's all right.
happening?
You're
Why am I rolling backwards?
Because you're on a hill, a little bit of a hill. You're good. You're
I
good.
don't want that to happen.
No, you're good. Go ahead.
Well, I don't know how to start now.
It's the exact same. Nothing changes.
But I'm rolling, and I'm just rolling.
Nothing.
And I don't know when I'm supposed to start the...
I'll tell you one. I'll tell you one. Go ahead. You're gonna roll a little bit. It's okay.
Okay.
All right, give it some gas. Give it some gas. Give it some gas. There you go. Not that much.
No.
Okay. Okay, you got it. You got it. Okay, you're good. You're good. You got it.
Oh
Okay,
my
you got
god,
it.
I didn't like that.
It's all right. You got it. Okay. Now we'll practice getting the second, and third, and everything like that. So go ahead into the second right now. Let's drop it. There you go. Beautiful. Perfect. Okay, you're in second. Good job.
Perfection.
All right. Just remember, if you need to stop, just hit the brake, use the clutch. Go into third. Go into third. You're good where you are.
Am I in third?
No, you're in neutral. Okay. No.
What?
That's why.
What happened?
You put it in first.
Wait, what do I do?
Just keep going, and shift to the second.
God.
Alright, you got it, good. You're good. Alright. Not bad. It's alright. That's why I was like, no. So you're gonna have stop. You're gonna have a guy behind you. Hook a left, hook a left. Okay, now you're gonna have to go to the stop sign with a guy behind you.
Oh my god.
You want me to tell me to go around?
I don't know. I guess I'll just have to do it.
Yeah, you're damn right. You're gonna have to do it. Don't forget how to stop, and then just go right. Yeah.
Neutral.
Yep, and go right.
Okay.
All right, you're good. No
Am I
pressure.
neutral? Oh, Jesus.
You're good. You got it? Look at yes, you got it.
Oh my god. That's terrifying.
Oh, you got it. Good job. You can't turn signals. And you gotta go in a second. There you go.
So much to do.
Good job.
Oh my god.
Yeah, this car, the turn signals don't turn off automatically. So you turn them on.
That's annoying.
Oh, it's a race car.
This guy is still behind me.
It's alright. Go ahead into third.
Am I in third?
Nope, you're in neutral again. Okay. No. Dip it again. Just go.
What happened?
You're in third now.
What did I do?
You shifted into neutral. You didn't shift into third. You jammed it into third.
I can't get it.
Alright, I'm gonna help you next time. You're good. Just keep going for now. Let this guy
I
get
want
right.
this guy to leave me alone.
He's still going straight. Just keep going straight. Yeah, there's the house. There's the trailer that I get fined for $150.
Jesus. Well, I have to like...
Alright, hook a left right here. And hopefully he doesn't follow you. Don't worry about gears. You're fine in third.
Should I see?
Yeah.
Oh god.
You're fine. Oh, he's following you still.
Jesus.
Alright, you got our stop sign here now. So. Alright, so don't forget how to stop and then hook her right.
I think they're stopping. Oh, thank God.
Oh, okay, they're turning in there. Okay, cool.
Thank God.
So now just hook her right. You're good.
Neutral.
Yep.
I can't get it into third.
Sorry, I'll help you next time. Alright. So
I keep getting stuck in neutral. Wait, where should I go?
Go right.
Am I neutral?
Yep. You want to be in first, so I want you. Okay.
I know. I can't tell like what's happening because I'm moving. You know?
Yeah, I know. It's alright. You got it. There you go. Perfect. Second. There you go. And turn signal. And now you're going to have to go left to the stop sign.
Okay.
best way to go is just keep going.
Just have to keep going left.
Yep, left. Oh, you got it, you got it, you got it. Alright, second gear. There you go, and turn 2. Good job, alright.
Got it. Now what? Straight?
Just go straight, and then it's going to be a dead end. Just hook a left into the, before it gets to the dead end. Just watch
There's
this.
people up here.
But don't hit the people. It's just like driving a car right now. You're fine.
Oh my god, I need him to get out of my way.
Just get skinny. There you go. Hello. Hook a left here. That was so quiet and so delayed. Alright, and now hook a right at your next right. Try going into, well, we'll wait till
I
next
don't want to
right.
go into third
Yeah,
again.
you're going to third, but we got to make this right first. Alright, let's hook your right here.
Can I like use my brake? Yeah, I can.
Yeah.
I don't know why I asked that. That was a stupid question.
Alright, turn center. Okay, now we're going to go into third, so put your hand there. I won't help you this
Wait,
time.
okay, wait. Clutch? No, wait.
No,
wait,
not yet.
Wait,
Speed.
wait,
You got to speed up first.
I gotta speed up.
Yeah, you got to speed up first.
Until 3.
Well, until about now, so you're ready.
Clutch?
Yep, clutch, third. There you go. Now off. There you go. Good job. So you got it.
Why didn't I get that before?
I don't
I
know.
just kept going. What was I doing?
You were putting it into neutral and then like jamming it into third. But it's alright.
That wasn't my fault.
I know, it's just race car. Oh god, that hurts. Not literally, like not physically, like
Sir.
God, you almost had your first stopping test. Hook a left right here. And we need to get you back into second or you're gonna die.
Okay.
Shift
I will do it.
shift into neutral. And then put it into second. Okay, now give it gas. No, okay, you're good. Okay, you're good. That works. That's fine.
Did I do it?
Yeah, you did. I was gonna tell you to rep match a little bit, but you were okay, so you're fine.
God. Now what do I do?
Hook it right here.
I don't want to go on to the busy road.
Well, you're gonna have to. I'm gonna try. Well, no, you should be. Yeah, you should be alright. I'm
There's
gonna
no
get you
stop signs over there, right?
There's stop signs everywhere. Hook a left here, and then we'll get you off the not like on the main road. And then hook another left. Watch this one.
I didn't hit it.
I know you did good. I'm proud of you. You can drive. I never knew that. All right, stop sign up here. We're gonna hook a right.
Wait.
Yep, you got it. You got it. Yep, you got it. All right,
There's just so much to do.
no one behind you, so ready to take your time. You're gonna drift back a little bit.
I don't want to.
You don't have a choice.
Wait. I don't like it.
You're not gonna have. You stalled it.
Did I?
Yeah. You're not gonna have a choice. This is what you're gonna have
because it's not moving.
Because your clutch isn't in.
I don't want to go up. Wait, no way. I gotta turn it off.
Yep, and turn it back on. Please start.
Okay. I don't want it to move. There's a car.
Where?
And they turn.
Okay.
All right.
Well, you can't sit here all day. So. You got it.
Wait, I can't.
Yes, you can. Just do it. Okay.
I can't.
You got it. No, you just stalled again, Gina.
Why?
You stalled, and the music turned on because you stalled. Start the car back up.
Jesus.
So you got to realize the reason that you're going backwards is because there's no park and you're in neutral and you're still rolling and there's a truck behind you.
No, there's not.
There's a truck right here.
It's so far away.
Yeah, until you hit it.
Okay. You get me out of this.
No, this is all you. I am not.
Oh my god.
This is all you. There's no one behind you. You're fine.
Alright. Well, there's a car here.
It's alright. Just take your time. You're good.
Alright.
You're good. You got
Off
this.
this clutch. I can't tell when I want to stop.
Stop drifting backwards. Put your foot in the brake at least. Oh my god. You have to use the clutch. Damn.
You said to brake.
Yeah, but you know when you stop, you use the clutch.
I was pressing the clutch.
Obviously not, because you stalled.
Oh my god. Just get me out of this.
No, you were doing this.
Oh my god.
Let's go. Before somebody comes and you're really stuck.
Wait.
You gotta turn the car on, put it in neutral and start the car again.
I don't want to roll back.
Well,
like
put your
this.
foot on the brake. Now go. Start the car.
Like, can I? But can I?
Hope no one's watching us right now.
But can I like brake and clutch?
Yes, you can brake and clutch at the same time.
That's what I've been doing. Then it stops the car.
Obviously, your foot's not in the clutch. If your foot was in the clutch, you would.
Yes, it was.
And not enough then. If it was all the way in, you wouldn't stall. It's not possible.
God. Okay. Now I need to
Start the car first.
I can start the car right here, right?
Yes.
With my foot on the brake.
Yes.
Okay, now
Now, first gear.
there's a car coming. You need to get me out of this. Get me out of this.
Tell them to go around you.
Zane, we're blocking everything.
She can go around.
Zane, please.
Go in
Where do I
first.
go?
Go in the first one.
No, you have to do it.
No, go. I'm not.
Zane,
Gina, you got this.
they're
Can you go around?
sorry. Can you go? They can't spit.
No, they can.
Okay. That was so embarrassing.
You don't
Okay,
want to
wait,
know what my pap did to my mom to make her teach her
Okay.
to drive stick.
I'm gonna keep rolling backwards.
Well, then that means you want to
Am I
go
first?
straight.
Okay, first.
Okay, yes, you got it. Now just do what you always do.
But I can't tell when I'm supposed to
I'll help you. Go ahead.
because I'm moving.
Go
Do you
ahead.
understand?
Yeah, I know.
Okay, I'm
Just give it
lifting my
give it a
foot.
little bit of gas right now. Okay, now slowly release the clutch.
I am.
Okay, wait for it to grip. Not that much gas, please. Okay. All right, keep on. Okay, keep more gas, more gas, more gas. Okay,
What's happening?
let off the gas. There. Okay, now there. You got it. Don't freaking
Okay,
stop. Just
got
keep
it.
going.
That was bad.
That was the worst you've done, but that's
Now
okay.
Another
stop sign.
Okay.
Okay, just
Clutch.
you can just stay. Okay, I
Control.
was gonna say you could have just stayed in first. Just by putting your foot on the floor. But you're good. Okay, no one behind you. You're good. Go. There's a hill if we go right. Go
Oh
right.
my god. Okay. Well, I'm rolling again. Okay. Clutch.
Yep. First. There we go.
I just can't tell when I'm like.
Just always give it a little bit of gas. Always, and you'll see it start to roll forward.
Are you sure?
Yes. See, you're starting to move. There you go. There you go. You got it. You already got it. It's nice and easy. Nice and easy. Perfect. You got it. There's no. The only pressure you're putting on is the pressure you're putting on yourself.
Well, it
Relax.
was easier in the parking lot because it wasn't rolling
Well, of
all
course,
around, and
but
I could tell when I was supposed to
Yeah, exactly.
do it.
But now things get a little bit difficult. Second,
Right.
second, and then go up to the stop sign. Just seconds.
On that rolly part?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
You gotta do it. So one way to get good at it is just to do it.
I'm gonna hit that truck.
No, you can say that.
Alright.
On that rolling part. Yes, that's what
The
we call
hill.
this. Is the rolling part.
I think I might be okay because it's not too bad here.
Too bad. You got
Oh,
Grandpa
there's a car
Jones
coming.
backing up.
Okay,
So
wait.
just be careful about him.
Oh no. Oh no.
Don't. Oh no, you got. Let him go. You're fine.
Okay, yeah, we're gonna let him.
Put your foot in the clutch.
Yes.
It's take your foot off now. It's bad to leave your foot in the clutch. It's literally as Grandpa Jones. All right, go ahead. You're good. You got this.
Well, now I'm all. And I need to go into first. And then. I'm going back so fast.
Last gas, last gas, last gas. You're good. You're fine. Last gas, last gas. Way too much gas.
Well, I can't. I'm going backwards.
Okay, easy. Okay, there you go.
Okay,
There
I got it.
you go, there
I
you
got
go.
it. I got it.
Oh my God! He's on the frick go. I am so sorry, Midnight. That one really hurt.
I cannot do that on the hill.
Second gear.
God.
Okay, you got it. Okay. Let's go straight. There's a downhill up here. Alright guys, that is going to end today's video. I had a blast. She did fantastic. I was super disappointed because it wasn't as exciting as I wanted it to be, but she still did great, which is awesome. So I'm going to end this video right here. Expect probably 2 more videos this week. I've got 2 more ideas that I need to work on. There might be some more of Gina driving as well. We'll figure that out as we go. Either way, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I will see you guys next video. Peace out, and remember, you create your own story. Woo!